I've got another book review for you, and this one here is called Start Thinking Rich. And this is by Brad Klontz and Adrienne Brambila. This is an excellent book. It's very simple, very easy to read, and each chapter focuses on a section that you can obviously do to improve your own personal financial situation. I love the fact that in this book, there at the end of each chapters, there are work-ons that you can go through, and that might be your money mindset, for example, blocks that have been there since childhood or ingrown beliefs that you've got. And at the end of each chapter, you can go through and work out and uncover some of those beliefs and where they actually stem from. I personally went through and did most of these challenges in this workbook and gained a lot of insight from it. So it is great. It's a great book that you can get a lot of value from. And also, if you are wanting to improve your financial situation, at the back there in the last chapter, it has got quite a few different theories, opportunities, choices, things that you can do and create with basically no money to get you started on your future financial freedom. So again, link is below if you're interested in purchasing this book.